Geeks! Hey, what's going on everyone? I know it's been such a long time since we made a YouTube video, like a proper YouTube video. I think I made like a POV. But we're back and we have a banger today, guys. We have a massive run, night run meet. It's the 4th of July. There's gonna be fireworks, there's gonna be spinning, there's gonna be drifting. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be sick. Steela's gonna be there. A lot of the guys are gonna be there. It's gonna be sick. But today we're fixing, first before we go, we're fixing the biggest issue with the F80, which is this, if you can see, look at this. So we used Temu, and this is what we got from Temu. It was like 400 rand. Guys, I want carbon fiber grills, but I can't afford it right now. If anyone wants to sponsor me, they can. I think this is the right side. Yeah, that looks good. Way better than this, right? Way better than this. I was gonna just do this side also, because like this is also, like, I sprayed it, guys. If you don't know what happened, these were black when I got the car, but that guy sprayed it. This side started peeling, so I took this side off, and I sprayed it. Then I sprayed it the wrong color. It was like a matte black. Then I bought the right spray. I sprayed it gloss black, and then it was in the sun and it started cracking up. Then I tried to sand it and resprayed it, and yeah, it just looks shit like this, man. I had to flip and paint off the grill, and you can see here I touched that up with touch-up paint. So this whole bumper, like from far, no one can see, nobody knows, but yeah, this whole bumper needs to be resprayed, which I want to do eventually when I have cash. But yeah, for now, at least we're replacing the grills. I got this for like 400 bucks off Temu. I actually got it a while ago. I've just been so busy, but we're gonna fit it. My wife is actually gonna fit it. She's gonna do everything, just because it's so easy, guys. I did this before on this car. I did my F30. I did the same thing as well. I'm just waiting for her. She's on the call, waiting for her as usual. Let me get all the tools along. But yeah, this is all you do to do this. Pop the bonnet open, guys. Also, I got a chip on my bonnet. That's a bit annoying. Also, I didn't spray the under of this bonnet today, guys, so it's not white, it's black. Damn, this car is dirty. Sheesh, like the engine bay. It was actually parked for a few days. I never drove it. I just got back from the car wash. But yes, it was actually dirty, eh? Look at this. But anyway, I want to let her do everything, so I'm not going to even take things apart yet. But you start by taking this off. You take this off. There's a few screws here that you take out, and then you just pop the grill out, and you put the new one in. And yeah, I ordered both grills, but because obviously they come in a set, but you only need the one grill. Let me get it. So this is my wife, guys. She's doing it. Okay, you need to take this thing out first. Just pick this, like pull it off. You can start on the end, so it'll be easier. Yeah, just pull it off, the whole thing. You can just throw it on the floor. And then, yeah, you just take each of this. Yeah, there we go. last two. Yeah, so these two are smaller than the rest. So just keep this one away from the others. Yeah, and then this one. Okay, now you're gonna just pull the bumper a bit back. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now you're gonna stick your hand underneath. This is the difficult part.
Okay.
There is about 8 clips. 6 or 8
so
clips.
I must push this out.
Yeah, you must put your hand underneath, and listen.
Yeah.
There's like 6 clips. So you pop this clip, you pop this clip, you pop this clip. All around you just keep popping clips. And then you can just pull it out. Yeah, to get your hand in there is a difficult part. I'll check for you.
Yeah.
Doesn't go properly, that's why.
Okay.
You see, you have to go. You see, your finger must be able to come all the way through. This way.
Come on.
Thank you, Paul. Just keep your phone. You're not gonna really be able to see. You just have to feel it. You'll feel it. It's like square.
How do I pop it out?
You have to push down on top and push it out.
So you see, there's one clip, but I don't see. Oh. What? Keegan, I don't see clips.
Yeah, you see.
Oh, those clips.
Yes, that's the clip there. So you push it down and out at the same time. Well, mainly just pushing it down. Yeah, there you go. You got that one. Next one.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I could feel those things move. Then this one next.
Yeah. I see the clips now.
Yeah. Let me keep this feeling. Thank you, Paul. Yeah.
You need to press the center down.
Yes, Paul. Center down and like push it at the same time.
Yeah.
And then it clips out. I've done it a few times, Paul.
Okay.
That's why it looks the way it looks.
I really can't push this down.
Yeah, it's quite tight here. Do you want me to push it? I think also because
I
it's
really
so
don't
cold.
think I'll be able to do that.
Because it's so cold. This one I got. Out. Okay, that one's out now.
Yeah, that.
I don't know if these top ones went back in now. No, they didn't. Nah, the bottom one clipped back in. Oh, that's out.
I think it's just the middle one.
There we go. And now this one again. That's one out. Now this is this one. There we go. But this one needed anymore. There we go. Okay, this part you can do. It's a lot easier. All you do is you put it where it goes and you just push it in, and it will all clip in.
What's the difference between the two?
They're exactly the same part. There you go. Just clip it in. This one I just messed up. The paint.
So you're gonna take out this one?
No, that one. Yo, guys, honestly, it looks way better. Look at this. It feels like I got a brand new car, bro. It feels like you got a brand new car. Like I got a brand new car. I'm really hyped about that. Yes. I'm so happy. Guys, how much better does this look? I'm gonna put a before and after, but whoa. It looks so good, man. Before. After. Way better. No. Yeah. This car needed this, man. Guys, we joined the convoy. Like the main convoy for this place. I don't know why my wife's put on brights. But anyway, let me show you what's happening here. Sick Aston Martin. A bit boring, but we're sick. Yeah, I think it's only this M4. My father came. I brought my dad with. It's pretty crazy. His M4 is actually looking good, eh? I won't lie. M4 is looking very good. I'm actually digging the chrome. But yeah, how's our grills looking after we fixed it? Finally. Yeah. Got the F80 1 series. Cam is here. I don't know, guys, if anyone watches Cam's video. Cam's here. Here's his IG. Mods 120. Where is this guy though? He's a sick M5. Oh, clear tail lights. How sick is that? That's really sick. Got another F82 pulling up. Very nice. Civic. Looks like Zuko's car. 7.5R. Oh, there's more cars here.
Just from your mind.
There's a ST and a TTR8. Like, yeah, guys, this is like a small pre-gather before the main event. I wasn't gonna come to this, but we were done so early, so we decided to pull up. I don't know if anyone's into Swiss. Look at this. But yeah. Where's my friends, man? There's my fam. Well, I at least have to get this RX-7. Oh, guys, a few cars pulled in, but this is the only one I really wanted to get on, eh? Shish. Man. Just smell that fuel. Hey, Cap. Got you. everyone just decided to use this. I think after we left, everyone just decided to leave us.
Yeah, but you then.
I'm out. It's my friends leave, actually. Connor and Paulo.
Connor.
Yeah, it's their coming.
Where's Connor?
He's coming. It's only supposed to start opposite.
Oh, is.
Yeah. But yeah, you see, I parked there, so if cops or anything. Yes. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Your turn, mate.
On the pages on Instagram.
Oh, are we? Are we? Up. Where is he? I think real. I know this one can drive like a motherfucker, bro. Yo.
Come on, Jimmy.
I'm so glad he got one.
Yeah,
It's a
you
perfect car.
need
Bro, he was fucking doing that for us.
Twice.
No, you
Oh
just
no,
got
this is not sideways.
Yes. Other way, bro. So guys, current situation. We're not at Engine Big Bird right now, but they're going there. Guys, this current situation, we got the F80 and the M4. There's a roadblock right here. Right here. A nice big roadblock. Everyone's on their way to, I think, Engine Bluebird, which we're gonna go heading there soon. We're just waiting for a friend and then we're gonna go.
That's not. It's a 120.
Yeah, that's a 120.
Oh, that's not.
Yeah. Maybe you're thinking of this guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.